legit. Anything you want.
Tron TRX accused of price pump in Accelerator competition uproar. Tron's Accelerator competition lost on 4th January with $1 million in prize money to be won, but now DApp developers are up in arms, if the outpouring of complaints on the Discord channel re anything to go by. Tron, a DApp platform that is now ranked the 9th most valuable by market cap, bought pioneering peer-to-peer file-sharing application BitTorrent in July last year. The project is led by Justin Sun and has recently been gaining traction both in terms of adoption and price. But all may not be what it seems at first glance, say its doubters. Price pump accusations. It stands accused of pumping the price of its token, TRX, by luring devs onto its platform, especially from Ethereum, under false pretenses with its generous competition rises and its Accelerator program. Reddit user Hill S. one such critic. He drew attention to the email that has been sent out to entrants changing the rules after the competition had closed. Due to the unexpectedly high volume of competitive projects, we have made some adjustments to the prize structure. One of them is to award over 100 plus projects instead of 56 projects. More details to be announced soon. Please stay tuned. And one poster on Discord, Phil, apparently representing a Uproar representative, a note on Tron's delegated proof-of-stake consensus system, complained about the cut in the minimum prize size from $5,000 to $1,000, casting doubt on whether the prize money would be fully distributed. Here's the Discord screenshot, and here's the full charge sheet drawn up by 9il. They changed the prizes after TRX contest ended. They allowed clones to win but not the original clone onto TRX. They allowed contestants to win who didn't meet the criteria. Being on mainnet, they allowed projects that aren't open source to win. They haven't posted a public list of the winners. Some blatant Ponzi games have won prizes. I reached out to Justin Sun on Twitter and Discord for a comment. Within 10 minutes he popped up on the Discord channel, promising to release a statement in an hour. Here's the screenshot of the Discord interaction. This story is unfolding as I write, but to be fair to Justin Sun, he is responding to developer complaints. For example, the Anthill DApp, which is a clone of Shrimp Farm described by 9il as a Ponzi game, which in turn is a clone of the original Ethereum game, is no longer in line for a prize. Sun explained at 9:48 Greenwich Mean Time, FTAR an internal discussion. We decide to cancel the prize. GM of Anthill, and my apologies to all developers. Devs were perplexed as to why high-quality dApps were not getting a look in. One dev who has built a remittance dApp called InstantCheck as opposed to yet another game, got nothing. Even an app that had previously been praised by Sun, Tron, and which currently has the largest transaction volumes, apparently only received the bottom prize. This is what Sun tweeted about Tron on 9th January. Sun says he is looking into why Tron has been overlooked. A number of dApp developers also say that their submissions had not even been looked at by the Tron team, claiming they were screened out before being seen by judges. One of the judges, who posts on Discord as Vincent, DApp Preview, wrote, "I think they did a screening before sending to judges. I didn't see all submitted dApps. The list we got is less than 40 dApps. I think it's for big prize. No, I don't have the final results. Here's some more context from the Discord chat. Other devs say their dApps were disqualified with no reason given, such as dApp called Tron Joy. Not enough staff on the job." By way of an explanation for the meltdown of the Accelerator competition, Sun said that the company only has one person working on it and was fixing that. He also admitted he should have visited the Discord channel instead of confining himself to his favored social media channel, Twitter. Sun is fairly busy on Twitter, where he is found of poking fun at Ethereum and co-founder Vitalik Buterin in particular. On 9 November last year, Tron beat Ethereum's daily transaction record set in January 2018, 1,367,488 v 1,349,890. A large part of the transaction total was accounted for by betting dApp Tron Dice. It is believed the public announcement of winners will take place at the iTron event taking place next week in San Francisco on 7-18 January. BitTorrent token doubts. Simon Morris, previously Chief Strategy Officer at BitTorrent, is disparaging of Tron's tech, which is derided by its critics as essentially nothing more than a copy of the Ethereum virtual machine, with the POS bolted on top. Tron has launched a token for BitTorrent BTT, but Morris, in an interview with Rekermag, expressed serious doubts about the ability of Tron to deliver the transaction throughput required, but what's very clear is that they're going in the same direction, come what may, because that's what Tron does. T's basically a marketing machine layered on a very thin veneer of technology. Crypto market watchers will have noticed that Tron has been outperforming of late. Between 13 December and 10 January, the TRX price increased from $0.0133 to $0.0327, for a gain of 145%, but has fallen steadily since then to $0.0228, according to CoinMarketCap. TRX USD 4-hour chart, Bitfinex courtesy TradingView. Judging by Justin Sum's comments on the Discord channel, many of the criticisms are being addressed, or at the very least there is some sort of damage limitation operation in progress. Still no statement to devs. However, the statement promised to devs on the Discord channel is yet to appear, but we will update this story when it does. This episode highlights the seemingly amateurish nature of the conduct of leadership teams and the lack of consideration for matters of transparency by many leading projects in the space. Jimmy Song from Blockchain Capital is not much enamored by Tron. He predicts the price will drop to 0.001 by 1 February and 0.0005 by 31 December. Sour grapes from competitors? However, all those critics who happen to back other projects, be it Ethereum or EOS, may just be having a bout of sour grapes. The TX numbers presumably don't lie, but if they are artificially inflated by throwing money at devs only for that support to be subsequently withdraw that support, adoption could presumably plummet. Tron's mainnet was launched in June last year. It got into trouble for plagiarism last year when it was discovered that its white paper includes source code copied from Filecoin and the Interplanetary File System (IPFS) in its white paper. Also, some teased the cryptosphere with hints of a partnership with Chinese internet giant Alibaba, which proved not to be the case. Tron does not seem to be much liked in China either, where it is often the butt of much disdain on Weibo. Given its number 9 position of CoinMarketCap, it does not even make it onto the latest semi-official Chinese crypto rankings drawn up by the Center for Information and Industry Development. Tron launched its virtual machine at the end of August 2018. In a Discord post an hour or so ago, Sun is pleading for time to fix any problems. Louis Jouissy, the dev who posted about the remittance dApp built for Tron, might not be hanging around to find out. See lot of real-world use case apps on Ethereum and hardly few on Tron. The only backdraw is speed on Ethereum, but they will solve it.